Hi, I'm Bette Alkazian. Welcome to Balanced Parenting. So many people ask me about making noise when the baby's sleeping. Here is what I recommend. Make as much noise as possible. It teaches kids to sleep through anything, to be flexible, and it doesn't create a nightmare for you later where you have to be quiet all the time in order for your children to sleep. I even used to vacuum under my daughter's crib when she was taking a nap. Don't be afraid for the doorbell to ring, the phone to ring, the kids to make noise, the neighbor kids to be playing over at your house while the baby's napping. Let all that noise happen. Life happens, and you want the baby to adjust to your life instead of you changing your life around the baby. Teach your baby to be flexible, to sleep through anything, and your life will be so much easier. When I'm asked this question, I can hear the fear in the parent's voice. But will my baby wake up prematurely? They won't get a good enough nap? Then my life will really be difficult. But the truth is, if you train them early on, then they'll sleep right through everything. Some kids are lighter sleepers and will wake up from some noise. So there are white noise machines that you can get or play music in their room, things like that. But in reality, you can train your baby to be a better sleeper. So what happens if the baby wakes up and cries? You don't have to go running right away. Sometimes babies wake up and they fall back to sleep. Then they will get an even longer nap. Let them cry and wait for the cries to escalate. Of course, if those cries do escalate, go check on your baby, make sure everything's okay. I'm Bette Alkazian. We'll see you next time on Balanced Parenting.